Popsicle. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, you're gonna see me make this look, create this look. I'm so excited because it came out so pretty. Yeah, I got inspired from a popsicle, this cherry mango popsicle, and it's, you guys know these are freaking fire during the summer, and we got some and I was like, oh my god, that would make a really bomb ass eye makeup. And here I am, and I made and came up with this. Yeah, if you want to see how I got inspired from my popsicle and see what I came up with, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I have no idea what to do. Okay, so this time I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to what is it? To prime my eyelids, to prime. The reason I want that is because that concealer is lighter, so it'll pick up the yellow better. Okay, now that we look a little crusty dusty, I'm going to use the yellow on the 35B palette and then really pick up a lot of product and like tap it off, and then mainly put this like at the end. Probably won't show as much, pero like it's okay. Oh yeah, the reason why I'm going in with this brush is because it picks up, it's a little bit denser, so it picks up more brush, more product. I'm able to like put it better precisely where I want it, and then I'll blend it out better. I don't know, I just really like this brush. With another large eyeshadow brush, we're gonna go in. Let's see, I'm gonna go in with this orange from the same palette, and I'm gonna put it on the inside of my eye, like on top. Get off. I wasn't trying to get off. And I'm gonna go back and forth with the two shades, but mainly going more with the yellow because the orange tries to take over. And then we're gonna blend them in together right here in the middle, going in more with the yellow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the red in this palette with the Morphe M433. And the reason why I'm going in with this shade is because it's not super like bright red. We wanted to like blend in with the orange kind of. And this one I'm gonna put it down under here. I like it. Okay, so like I just want it down here on the lid a little bit to add a little bit more dimension to the orange down here, because we're gonna do like a little half cut crease. Make sure to be going back in with a lot more yellow so it doesn't, you know, get lost.
Now you're lost in the heat of it all. Girl, you know you're lost.
Probably will put the red more up because like it's looking a little bit weird. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a half cut crease right here with the Tarte concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna use the NYX jumbo eye pencil in milk. What is it? I think it's called. And I'm gonna put some like on where I have the concealer, because with this white it's gonna really make it pop, and I'll show you guys right now in a bit. Okay, so I already did it on here, but I'll like take that off so I can show you guys again. I don't know, I put some white on there. Where's my pencil? Where's my...
You're stupid. You're stupid. You're so freaking stupid. I was looking for this brush for like the past 5 minutes. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Yes, burra, la encontraste.
We're gonna get some yellow, and then we put it on here. Oh, hold up, I don't put that much. And then we're gonna put it on here, and then you could like see it better. As if we use concealer, the top one is concealer. Like, this is hard. You could see it, but it's not as good as like doing it right here. It's just way better. I'm just gonna put some yellow on here and then blend it out. Whoa! It's so yellow. I like going with more red to like deepen this little part right here. Going in with like a flat brush kind of to like get in here, like get some red and like deepen the orange on top. And then now I'm gonna do some white liner on the top little white line. Hopefully I don't mess up. Okay, this part literally took me like 10 minutes, but it's okay. We're okay. Okay, the lashes I'm gonna use today are from MORPHE, but I don't know the name of them. I put some mascara to my top lashes. I'll be back right now, do this eye, and then do my face as well, and then I'll come back so I can give you guys some lip options. Hey guys, I am back. Okay, so oh wait, I forgot highlighter. Okay, I'll just do it on here. Okay, so for highlighter today, I'm probably gonna use the Fenty Beauty highlighter, the gold one. Wow. Oh, I forgot about my... Okay, so for lip option number one, it's lining my lips with a brown Wet n Wild lip liner in the color Chestnut. And then for the first one, I'm going to use this little LIPLAND lip gloss, and it's French. That's the name of it. It's like kind of pinkish, but let's see how it looks. It smells like bubblegum. She's looking cute. Okay, so I really like this. She's cute. Okay, so for the final lip option, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty gloss, and I think this is it because it's like, it has some brown to it. It's so cute. Alright, so guys, this is it. This is it for this tutorial. I really liked how this came out. Oh wait, I'm forgetting something. Okay, I'm just gonna walk around with like 2 of these popsicles on my hand, and I'm gonna be like, yes, yes, I got inspired by my popsicle. You wish you were me. If you guys enjoyed this makeup and this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. I already said thumbs up, which is likes, okay. Please like and subscribe if you guys really like this look and you guys want to see more. Oh my god. I already got lipstick on here.